We're in Glendale today. We just completed a job here. Everything came out beautiful. The opening here was a little bit smaller than she anticipated. The gate was actually shorter, but despite the fact, we took care of everything. We extended the gate. Here it is opening right now. We ran power here. We have a photo eye, and we also put a keypad. This door also has 1 minute delay on it, so it closes automatically. Here's Jackie, the owner. Jackie, what do you think at the end of the day? I know you were frustrated in the morning.
I was frustrated at the beginning, but at the end, it turned out fine.
Well, good. I'm glad you're happy, and if you're happy, I'm happy.
Everyone's happy.
There you go.
It's the end of the day,
okay.
too.
And if you have any concerns in the future, like I said, feel free to call us. We will be more than happy to come and take care of it. All right. Thank you, guys.
Very much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And here it is closing by itself. We will see you in the next beautiful installation from Mulholland Brand.